Some statues are so huge they can be seen from space. Can you name these famous monuments? In which city does this famous torch-holding lady stand? Is it A, Paris, B, New York, or C, London? It's B, New York! Nailed it! She stands in New York Harbor. On top of which mountain in Rio de Janeiro is this giant statue located? Is it A, Corcovado, B, Sugarloaf, or C, Mount Everest? It's A, Corcovado! Awesome! Christ the Redeemer stands tall there. What mythical creature with a lion's body and a human head is this? Is it A, Sphinx, B, Griffin, or C, Manticore? It's A, Sphinx! You got it! It guards Egypt's ancient pyramids. On which remote Pacific island can you find these mysterious stone heads? Is it A, Hawaii, B, Madagascar, or C, Easter Island? It's C, Easter Island! Wow, the Rapa Nui carved them. What is the name of this famous bronze sculpture of a resting man? Is it A, the thinker, B, the dreamer, or C, the reader? It's A, the thinker! Brilliant! He is lost in deep thought. Which U.S. state features these 4 giant president faces carved into a mountain? Is it A, South Dakota, B, Texas, or C, California? It's A, South Dakota! Superb! That is the famous Mount Rushmore. This statue with the head of a lion and body of a fish is the symbol of which country? Is it A, Singapore, B, Thailand, or C, Japan? It's A, Singapore! Correct! The mythical merlion represents this island nation. In which European capital city is this famous little peeing boy statue located? Is it A, Brussels, B, Amsterdam, or C, Paris? It's A, Brussels. Funny one. That is the famous mannequin piss. Based on a fairy tale, this bronze statue sits on a rock in which city's harbor? Is it A, Copenhagen, B, Oslo, or C, Stockholm? It's A, Copenhagen! Sweet! It is inspired by Hans Christian Andersen. This massive collection of life-sized clay soldiers was built to protect which country's first emperor? Is it A, Egypt, B, China, or C, Greece? It's B, China! Unbelievable! The terracotta army guarded his tomb. Which Italian Renaissance master sculpted this grand marble masterpiece? Is it A, Michelangelo, B, Donatello, or C, Leonardo da Vinci? It's A, Michelangelo! Nailed it! He carved David from one marble block. At 182 meters tall, the Statue of Unity in India holds what world record? Is it A, tallest statue, B, oldest statue, or C, heaviest statue? It's A, tallest statue! Incredible! It is the tallest in the world. This colossal giant Buddha is carved directly out of what material? Is it A, solid gold, B, stone cliff, or C, white marble? It's B, stone cliff! Oof, tricky. It is carved into a mountain. This bronze statue in Tokyo honors a famous dog known for what trait? Is it A, loyalty, B, speed, or C, herding? It's A, loyalty. So touching. Hachiko waited for his owner daily. This ancient Greek marble statue of a goddess is world famous for missing which body parts? Is it A, her arms, B, her legs, or C, her head? It's A, her arms. Spot on. The Venus de Milo has none. Which famous museum in Paris displays this iconic wing-shaped Greek sculpture? Is it A, the Louvre, B, the Met, or C, British Museum? It's A, the Louvre. Fantastic. It stands grandly in France. Before the Statue of Unity was built, which country was home to the world's tallest statue? Is it A, China, B, Japan, or C, Myanmar? It's A, China. Nice job. It was the Spring Temple Buddha. This massive steel sculpture, resembling an angel with airplane wings, stands in which country? Is it A, United Kingdom, B, Germany, or C, Australia? It's A, United Kingdom. Wow, it is the Angel of the North. These two giant, shining metal horse heads stand in which country? Is it A, Scotland, B, Ireland, or C, Canada? It's A, Scotland. Love it. These magical kelpies are huge. To reach the Grand Tiantan Buddha in Hong Kong, visitors must climb how many steps? Is it A, 268 steps, B, 1,000 steps, or C, 50 steps? It's A, 268 steps. Whew, tiring. That is a long climb up. This giant statue of Jesus in Bolivia is slightly taller than which more famous counterpart? Is it A, Christ the Redeemer, B, Statue of Liberty, or C, Great Sphinx? It's A, Christ the Redeemer. Amazing. It beats Rio's famous statue. This shiny steel sculpture resembling a Viking longship is located in which capital city? Is it A, Reykjavik, B, Oslo, or C, Helsinki? It's A, Reykjavik. Mind-blowing. It sits on Iceland's waterfront. This bronze statue of a brave girl was originally placed directly facing which famous animal sculpture? Is it A, charging bull, B, bronze lion, or C, golden eagle? It's A, charging bull. So cool. She stood bravely on Wall Street. This ship-shaped monument in Lisbon honors explorers from which historic nation? Is it A, Portugal, B, Spain, or C, Italy? It's A, Portugal. Correct. It celebrates their golden age of discovery. This giant 30-foot outdoor bronze sculpture depicts what creature? Is it A, a spider, B, a scorpion, or C, a crab? It's a spider. Yikes, creepy. It is named Maman. This giant 16th century stone colossus appears to emerge from a park. In which country? Is it A, Italy, B, France, or C, Spain? It's A, Italy! Oh wow, it is near beautiful Florence. This giant rock face mask, carved into a mountain in Izmir, depicts the founder of which country? Is it A, Turkey, B, Greece, or C, Egypt? It's A, Turkey! Awesome! It shows the famous leader, Ataturk. This 70-foot sculpture of a giant human metal figure emerging from the ground is located in which U.S. state? Is it A, Maryland, B, Florida, or C, Nevada? It's A, Maryland! Incredible! The giant tries to free himself. carved into a rock cliff over the Danube River. This is the tallest rock sculpture in which continent? Is it A, Europe, B, Asia, or C, South America? It's A, Europe! Yes! It stands tall in Romania. This towering golden monument in Myanmar features two Buddhas, one standing and one doing what? Is it A, reclining, B, sitting, or C, meditating? It's A, reclining. Double trouble. One stands right behind the other. This giant sculpture of a hand rising from the sand is located in which extremely dry desert? Is it A, Atacama Desert, B, Sahara Desert, or C, Gobi Desert? It's A, Atacama Desert. Wow! It rises from Chile's sands. Inside this colossal bronze Buddha statue in Japan, visitors can ride what modern convenience? Is it A, an elevator, B, a water slide, or C, a roller coaster? It's A, an elevator. Mind blown. You can ride to its chest. How many statues did you guess correctly? Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun quizzes.